Hi, this is Anthony Parent of Parent and Win LLP, the IRS medic, and in this video, I hope to help you answer the question of whether or not you should file an IRS offer in compromise. Now, one of the things we've been noticing over the years is that a lot of IRS employees are suggesting to taxpayers that they file an IRS offer in compromise. And so why is this? And we have a few theories why, but basically one thing to consider is that it does pass the buck along, that the person suggesting whether or not you file an offer in compromise is not the person who's going to decide upon it. So whether that's an IRS revenue officer or somebody you talk to the phone at Automated Collection Systems, that's ACS, they are really not the one that will decide your offer in compromise. And so if they say, hey, it's a really good idea to do so, they really don't know. And if they say, no, you can't, again, they really don't know. And also, don't look to the IRS pre-qualifiers and the calculators, because in both situations, we have run some test cases just to see how some offers in compromise that we have had accepted. We've ran those financials of our clients through. And in cases where we had offers in compromise accepted, the pre-qualifiers said, oh, don't even bother filing one. So really, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Now, one of the things you might also ask yourself is, should you file an offer in compromise, or should you have someone else do it for you? Now, I'll just let you know that this is going to sound a little self-serving, but you probably want to get some real legal muscle on it. And here's one way to know whether or not you're dealing with somebody who is on the level or not, because there is a tremendous amount of tax resolution scam attorneys out there, or people claiming to be attorneys who aren't even. This is the way to tell. When you call them, say, how much money are you going to save? How much money are you going to save me? Now, if they answer you with some amount, okay, you know you're not dealing with someone on the level. Why? Because nobody controls the IRS. I don't control the IRS. Heck, the IRS doesn't even control the IRS. So if someone's guaranteeing you a specific result, stay away from them. Now, sometimes we'll say to a client, yeah, you're a likely offer in compromise candidate. However, we don't want to make a promise for a specific result, because guess what? There might be better alternatives open to you. And so a lot of these firms, all they know is offer in compromises, and all they do is slap together your paperwork, send it in, and the IRS rejects it. Your hopes get up high only to be let down. How do I know? Because we take over these cases routinely from people who go with the lower cost resolution firm and then realize they're not getting anywhere, and so they really need to call someone who's real, who will tell them the truth and get them going to a better place where they're going to be. So follow the link to the blog on this video. And this is Anthony Parent for Parent and Win LLP, the IRS medic, and I thank you for watching.